Who decides how global health is governed? And who pays for it? The global health system is fragmented, donor-driven, and under growing pressure as trust erodes and multilateralism weakens. Official development assistance fell by nearly a quarter last year, the steepest cuts coming from its largest funders. Yet within this disruption lies opportunity. Across the global south, countries are claiming greater sovereignty through regional manufacturing, South-South cooperation, and financing aligned with their own priorities. Incremental fixes won't be enough. Reshaping the global health architecture means rethinking economic paradigms and power relations themselves. Building a system anchored in equity, inclusion, solidarity, and shared accountability. World Health Summit, the leading platform for global health. Join the dialogue.